This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
To the crazy man. 2,151 wins. Good job, guys. Russian got AFK and Stanislav so far. Good job. What about Enquai? Bought $250 worth. I never looked at. I gotta look at it. Enquai? What's the capital? What's the market capital? And what is the highest and what is the lowest? 5-time Pachinko. Come on, slow it down. Slow it down. Give it to me. Oh man, AI coins are blasting just like this Pachinko on a 5X. So let's go, everybody. Oh, Super Saladin. You owe me 3 Caesars. You owe me 3 Caesar salads and a beer. So, so 7x, 10. Come on, give me more. 15, 20, 40, 50, 100x. Everything multiplied by 5x. That's a 500x on that board right there as a max win. Whoa, look at those multipliers. Look at those multipliers. Come on, give me the middle. Give me the middle. Give me the middle. Yes. Oh. Yo. Good luck. I literally kissed it. I literally kissed the puck. Come on. Come on. Momentum.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,063,522 euros.
Having a party. Hallelujah. 7,192 wins. Good job with the plow mark. GG or BMG top out. Good job, guys. It's great. We're going crazy, baby.
I'll make cars, yes, actual cars that I might afford. Then I'm all hands down for some Audis, you know, some Q7, Q5s, even I think even Q2s, like something like that, you know, 3X some crazy time. And I would also go for, I don't know, Volkswagen cars, because it's just, you know, it's reliable. You know what's good? We got crazy time with 3X on top. That's also pretty awesome. Wouldn't you agree? Let's go. Woo. Well, bingo! We got some shinies in the house as well. You guys, you get top stuff for crazy time going on. 3X over there on top of everything here. Let's get to it. Let's get down to the business. Jeffrey, exactly, the shiny is here. Got the shiny Pokemon as well, if we can call it like that. Ooh, okay, so now all about your choices, guys. Where you want to go? Where do you want to go? Which one will you want to pick? Green, blue, or the yellow one? Choice is yours, or maybe auto pick. And once that's done, off we go for the Spinito 300X, the highest. Oh, wow. Okay, so 45 green, 60 for the blue, and double this time goes for the yellow flapper people. Guys, strap in, because we got another spin to make. And now, we got 600 on the line here. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 608,176 euros.
Oh, 300X. Woo.
Listen, wasn't the best. Could have been worse. Well, I don't know. Good luck, everybody. New round, new opportunities. Shadow Daggers, nice to see you here for some crazy time. How have you been? Either back-to-back crazy time. Yo, actually, please. Whoa. 4X so crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Also, back-to-back crazy time. I told you. More fun. Who is she? Who is she? That's crazy. That's crazy. Welcome back, guys. welcome back, my friends. That's crazy. Indeed, that is a fact. It is crazy time, but I see triple on the wheel as well. Also, let's add that top side multiplier, of course, 4x. Crazy, crazy. So crazy. I'm on fire over here. You are on fire, guys. All right. I'd like to thank the Academy. I'd like to thank my mom. All right, decision time, guys. Green, blue, yellow situation going on. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys, you ready? I'm not. Knees weak. Arms are heavy. 800x. Let's go. Good luck to you guys.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,007,339 euros.
X for blue, 200x for yellow, 800x for the green. Let's go. Dab on them haters. We did it. I told you we're going to fix the highest win of the day, baby. Let's go.
And 11 winners. My compliments, everybody. Betting time is open once again. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, good luck. 2 bets on crazy time. I bet 25. I think I got 25 as well, right? Not sure. I forget. I see and I forget. Oh, 8 a.m. Gotta gamble responsibly. Careful. Ooh. It landed. Crazy time, everybody, with the 2x top slot. All right. Look at that. Let's go, everybody. Welcome back, everybody, to the third Crazy Time experience together. But this one is special. We have a 2x wheel multiplier, 2x top slot, happening right here, right now. Look at that wheel. Look at the wheel. Times 2. Oh, the beauty and the grace. Alright, decision time, everybody, is open. Choose your color, green, blue, or yellow. Feel free to leave it out to auto pick if you don't feel like choosing yourself. But this is important right now. This is for all the marbles. Last few seconds. Alright, 200x is on the line. Good luck, everyone. Alright, that's 30x for green, 40x for blue, and Team Yellow yet again lands on a double. Team Yellow. Team Yellow. This is important. We double everything on the wheel. 400x is the highest win. Good luck, Team Yellow.
This is the amount of money issued 55,900 euros.
We get ourselves a 200x, everybody. Let's go back. Welcome back, everybody. 1,667 winners there. Congratulations to all of you. Team Yellow. Team Yellow.
Good luck in the next round. Betting time is now open to all newcomers. Welcome. Feel free to join in. Ooh, 75x, that's nice. Congratulations. 4x for great time from top slot. Guys, I told you. Wait for it. Crazy time 4x. Here we go.
to Crazy Time 4X. I told you guys wait and see, didn't I? Make your decision, green, blue or yellow. We are on a double wheel. Maximum probably will be 400x. Yes, maximum 400x, let's see. Yellow goes for double. Let's say maximum 800x for yellow. Another double for yellow. Maximum 1,600.
This is the amount of money issued to 141,961 euros.
Yellow. Running around like crazy this past week. I've been running around like crazy. I have a lot of things that's going on behind the scenes, so cash on 7x from top block. So yeah, I'm sorry, but I know it's not good that I don't eat straight away, but it's like there's nothing really that I can do at the moment. I just have a lot of things going on. We have cash on 7x. Welcome to Cash Hunt 7X, ladies and gentlemen. So you guys asked for Cash Hunt, so Cash Hunt it is, 1/100. So we have that multiplied by 7. Maximum multiplier will be 1,700x. You can see on the board we have 175 and 50, so let's see 3, 2, 1. Make your decisions. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 133,339 euros.
Congratulations to all. Good luck at the next round. The betting time is now open to all newcomers. Welcome. Feel free to join in. I don't, I promise. Oh, congratulations. I promise I don't skip on my meals.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.